Section 2.11, let's look at variable assignment and initialization. You can initialize and assign a value at the same statement when you declare it, or you can assign a value to a variable in an assignment statement. The assignment statement is the one with the equal sign in it. In this example, we are assigning the value of literal 12 to the item. An item is of type integer. If we try to assign item to a literal 12, this would be error, since the assignment statement works this way, that anything to the right side of the equal sign will be assigned to the place or memory location in the left side of the equal sign. Well, 12 is not a memory location for a variable, so you cannot assign item to go into 12. This would not work. Okay. Variable initialization. Whenever you define a value for the variable in a declaration statement, at that time of the compilation, the value is bounded to that memory location, and you can use it throughout the program. If you don't assign a value to a variable and you just initialize it in later statements, when you declare it originally, the compiler will give you whatever is left over from previous execution of the code in that memory location, which cannot depend on that value. The wisest and the smartest thing in any programming is anytime you declare your variable, initialize it to the proper values at that time. Here is something to look for. In this statement, I have integer length equal 12 semicolon. It put 12 in the length. Now, in the next statement, I can initialize 2 or 3 or more variable to different values. I have integer length assigned the value 12, comma, width assign the value of 5, and area is just being declared but don't have any value to it. Another example would be if I have integer length, comma, width, comma, area equal to 0, only the last part, which is area, is being initialized to 0. The other two would be left alone. Let's look at this example that I have in line 7. 2 integer value, 1 for month, to be assigned the value of 2. Then I have comma, blank, days to be assigned the value of 28. And then I'm printing on line 9 with the cout statement. Month 2 has 28 days. This would be the end of section 2.11.